Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Travel Services. My name is Darren, and today we're going to walk you through the Chef's Table experience on the Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas that we just got off of. I'll be right back. Hey all, welcome to Fire and Water Travel Services. We specialize in affordable luxury and culinary adventures with all types of travel, including cruises, all-inclusives, and any type of travel you're looking for. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and make sure you like and subscribe and share this channel. All right, all the Chef's Table experience is about a 3-hour experience, and it starts off with some champagne before we're walked to our special Chef's Table table in the main dining area. And we had our own custom printed menus, of course, with all the different courses that we're going to be experiencing that night. And also, we started out with our bread course, which was pretty fabulous.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Chef's Table. So before I start, I just want to introduce the history of my name. So my name is Jordan, but that's a typical Jordan. It's Jordan with you. You know why? Why? Yeah, because my dad loves playing basketball, watching basketball. Michael Jordan.
Did he just spell it wrong?
Yeah?
But he just spelled it wrong?
That's the wrong thing. But I don't play any kind of ball. That's it. I just cook. Yeah. Anyways, Chef's Table is a 6-course dining experience. We're all of course gonna be explained by me and by my partner Ari, and it's paired also with a specific different wines, which is only served not other table but only in this table. The thing that I just want you to do is just simply sit, relax, enjoy, and feel each meal, each drink that we offer in this table. So are you ready for the first course?
Yes.
Oh, see you in the first course.
So this was our first course. It was a scallop carpaccio. I'm going to let the chef explain what it is.
Our first course, we have the appetizer, which we call the scallop carpaccio. And did you know that the original carpaccio is the one, the red one?
Yes.
Oh wow! No, it was invented in 1963 by Giuseppe Triani in Venice, Italy, specifically in Paris bar. So it is named after the Renaissance artist, which is known for his red mark. That's why it's color red. His name is Vittore Carpaccio. That's why it's called carpaccio. So what you have on your plate is our seafood version. So it is a big scallop. So if we arrange it properly in a wrap, you wrap it, squeeze it, slice it thinly, put some crispy quinoa on top, the microgreens in the middle, and garnish it with a red radish, red and green capsicum. And the one with the ring is a yuzu vinaigrette, which is a citrus fruit from Japan, and it is less sour than lemon. Yes, so enjoy your appetizer.
Our second course of the night was a smoked roasted tomato soup that was absolutely amazing.
We should call this roasted tomato soup. So before we cook our tomato soup, we marinate first all the ingredients for 7 hours. So of course, the main ingredients is tomato. We have the mirpa, which is star celery onion. We have the garlic, basil, bay leaf, and balsamic glaze. We season it with salt and pepper, olive oil. Roast it for 1 hour. Blender it. That's why you have soup now on your bowl. Drizzle it with cream and pesto. Plus in the middle, you have the crispy herb focaccia with fresh salsa on top, cream, parmesan cheese, and garnish it with microgreens. So there are some saying that once you have a spoon of tomato soup, you need to fill up. Enjoy your second course, sir.
Our next course was a lobster tail salad, which was absolutely amazing. I didn't get video of the chef on that one, but then we went to a pan-roasted branzino, and I'm going to let him explain that one to you real quick.
We have the pan-roasted branzino. So before we cook our branzino, we marinate it first with lemon and lime confit, and then we season it with salt and pepper. So we did the method of 80-20, which to make the fish soft and tasty. At the bottom, we have the marinara as base, plus we have the grilled zucchini, of course, sauteed in garlic, onion, and pepper. Then you're gonna see also a vegetable on the sides. We have the carrot and asparagus sauce and garlic confit too. And then garnish it with the dehydrated cherry tomato, parsley, and candied lemon zest. Pesto around. And last but not the least is the one piece of lime segment, which, like, when you finish everything, to wash up your taste.
Okay. Thank you.
So enjoy your branzino.
Our final entree of the night was our medium rare filet mignon with fingerling potatoes.
Which before we cook it, we marinated it first with the herb confit. And then we season it with our own royal seasoning, which consists of 12 herb and spices. Grill it according to your desired temperature. And at the bottom, we have the duo potato. We have the herb fingerling potato and a black truffle potato puree. On the sides, you have the vegetable, which is the carrot and asparagus sauce and the garlic confit. And garnish it with the grilled cherry tomato, crispy garlic, and microgreens. Bernaise, alright. You may now have ketchup in it to make sure that the temperature.
Before our dessert, guys, we had a espresso martini to kind of clear our palate to get us ready for dessert. But then we had a surprise birthday celebration. And the final course of the night, guys, was this amazing dessert, and you're going to see just how amazing it was.
I don't get the comparison, but if you say so.
Oh yeah. I get it. I get it.
Oh, okay. I'm just a little slow.
Yeah, it's a little slow, you know.
Wow.
That short yellow book.
Wow, look at that.
That'll get you through.
If you've never done the Chef's Table experience, I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money. You do get wine pairings with each course, so you get to drink a whole lot of wine in the evening. And like I said, with the upgraded food, just the overall experience, it's probably the best dining value you can get on either any of these ships. So Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian all have this type of experience. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. If you're looking for travel, book it with Fire and Water Travel. I'll see you on the next video.